Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashanti if this is your first time here. And today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I make my thumbnails. I usually do keep my thumbnails very simple just because me personally, I just like for things to be very minimal, like simple, basic, and cute. But for the sake of this video and showing y'all how to incorporate more things, I'm going to spice it up a little bit more. So I'm going to try to mainly keep everything down to like between 1 to 2 apps because I really don't use that many apps to edit my thumbnails, so I do want to make it like as simple as possible. So the first app that we're going to be using is Pixart, and okay, I already have my picture picked out, so I'm gonna just backtrack really quickly so I can show y'all. And the thumbnail that we're going to be editing for is the what's on my iPhone video. So let's go to my favorites so I can make sure I'm repicking the right one. And the first thing we're going to do is go to tools and crop, and when you go all the way over to the right, it has the dimensions for YouTube, and usually I think they're the same for like the thumbnail and the video dimensions. So and we're going to apply and crop that out. And right now I'm going to save the picture because I want to make sure that I don't want to put like any filters or anything on it. So we're going to go over here to RookieCam, or if you have a preference on what app you use to edit your pictures, then that's probably what you're going to gravitate to. Ooh, I like that. This one right here, like, okay, I don't know, all of these looking pretty good, so I don't know which one I'm about to use. Like this sky, I kind of like how that's looking with like this bronzy makeup type of look, but okay, I think I'm gonna use this one called Mason. And okay, so now we're just gonna save that and go right back up over here to Pixart. So now we're gonna go in with text, and this is gonna be like the thumbnails that you see, like that have the words across like the middle, the top, or the bottom. I'm gonna go like with that kind of aesthetic for this one. And okay, so now we're gonna go in and find the font because I don't like that one. And if you don't like how like any of their basic ones look, you can like access more fonts if you have like, I guess the premium package is what it's called. And I'm just gonna go through and see if there's a font that I like. And I don't think either of these are gonna do. Let's see. Oops. Look at me out there acting like somebody granny again. Okay. So we're gonna curve it just a little bit. I think a -1 is like enough for you to see the curve and for you to know that it's there. So I think we can add a little blur, but I still really don't know if this is let's see, what color should I go with? Because I'm really liking okay. Now I want to go back to the fonts because I want to find a different one because I don't really like this one. Let's see. Oh look, the YouTube font. Okay, we'll go with this one. And let's see. because I'm really liking this color that's like right here on my jacket. So we're gonna stick with that. Then we're gonna bring it down, center it a little bit more. And let's see, let's add some stickers. This is just about actually how my phone looks. Okay, well, we'll just add the plain white one. And to give it a little bit in the background, we'll add a shadow to it. And you could pick like what color you want the shadow to be. Like that's how it looks with black, that's how it looks with the white. Let me see where I'm actually gonna place it. And now I changed my mind. I don't want to place the iPhone sticker because my phone is already in the photos, so we're gonna add something else. Let's see. Let's add the Apple logo. This one will probably be good since it kind of already has their pre-existing shadow. Now we can kind of emphasize that a little bit more because it's already there. Okay, now we can adjust like the positioning, so how far up and down it goes, and then how far left and right it goes. So let's see. Do I want to keep it straight? Okay, and then let's add the water emoji because we want folks to think that we got some juicy going on up in this phone. So we're going to add that. I don't know what I just did. Okay, back to the sticker. Water splashing emoji. Okay. Or I could actually have just typed it, but I mean it came up so. But you definitely could have just went to your keyboard and typed in the emoji instead of doing it. I don't know why I was being extra. Okay, I think we want the shadow on this one to be white because, I mean, I feel like the white stands out a little bit better with the blue. And sometimes you have to play with like the placement, depending on like how you want everything to fit, where you want it to be. So, I think I'm gonna put the apple here. The water emoji down here, and let's see, we gonna add a receipt because I don't know, I just think we should. So, oh wow, they have Taylor Swift receipts. Alrighty. And let's not put the receipt. Let's put I don't know. And see, this is why I stick with the minimum or the minimal vibes because it's not too much to think about at all. And I basically already know what's going on there, but okay. I think we are good with what we have. I'm gonna just drag out the words in the middle to kind of make them bigger, spread them out a little bit more so they stretch across the screen. I think a 5 is good. And yeah, I think we have ourselves a thumbnail. So I'm gonna save it, and then once I go in to edit my videos, I could just add that through YouTube Studio. Okay, y'all, so that is it for how I make my thumbnails. That is literally everything that I do to make my thumbnails, and a little bit more since I do keep it a little bit more simple. But I just wanted to show y'all like how to add stickers and things like that. Hopefully y'all learned something that y'all can incorporate within y'all's own making of your thumbnails or whatever you may be needing to do with pictures. But other than that, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of when I upload new content to my channel. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.